This is the last video on how to build an observing log, and in this one I'm going to show you how to do it on PC using WPS Office. The same program that I did it on the tablet. You can get this on Mac, iOS. You can get it on everything. It's multi-thing. I'm getting this out of the Astronomical League Universe Sampler. You probably won't be able to see it there, but I'm going to take a picture of it and show you at the end. Just to tell you, I'm not going to do the typing anything in. I'm just going to show you how to set up the table for it and how to insert a picture into your observing log, which I didn't do on the tablet version, mobile version. But I'm going to take a picture of what it should look like so that then you guys see the information you need to put in on it. You don't have to put the same stuff I did, but there are some, you should at least put in like the object name and some simple information. I'll post on the picture like what things to put in there, or take multiple pictures and show you a basic one and a more complex one. And I probably should show you how to make a complex one and simple one in this one. Okay, I'm going to open a new document. I'm going to create new. I'm going to select here. Then I'm going to hit here. We're going to save the document. We're going to call this one log. This is the one part that I will type in. G log. Whoops. Nope. There we go. Log. I'm going to hit log. I'm going to change the name a little bit because I had previously created one called the same name. So I'm going to call it number 1 here, log 1. And then save. Hit save. Now it's saved. So now I'm going to go under insert. I'm going to hit table here. Select on insert table. I'm going to create my table size as a 4 by 4. Now I'm going to hit OK. Now I'm going to select this section. Whoops, not that whole section. I don't want to do that. Hit this section here. Now we're going to hit up here where it says merge cells. We're going to merge those cells. Then we're going to take, and we're also going to do the same on this row where you'd put your name, date, time. We're going to merge cells, and that should do that. Now what you do is you'll take this and move it down a little bit. Then you'll take the next row and move it down a little bit. Move it down. Move it down. There you go. Now you got a box here that you'll put your object. You could draw it in there by hand. You could print these out and then draw them in by hand. Or, not saying you shouldn't do digital art, but if you're a digital artist at the same time as being an astronomer, you could try to draw something on a digital art program and then insert that in there. But I'm going to just show you how to add a picture to it. I go into my PC here. I've got this one labeled Astrophotography, which I have some of my astro in there. I'm going to hit open it. And I'm going to hit open an image here. Let's select this one here. There we go. And I did not put it in the right spot. No, I didn't. I forgot to. There, it's in the box. Yes, I got it in the box, but I'm gonna have to shrink the size because it's way too big. There we go. Shrink it down. There you go. Sorry about that, guys, but sometimes these glitches happen. And then you got your image right here. And that's whatever. That's a moon picture I've taken. It doesn't look too good. You definitely can't tell it's the moon. You're going to think it's a star, but it's clearly the moon. The camera I was using doesn't really have the option of putting a moon filter on it so that you could see the surface of the moon. And especially if you take pictures of the moon with your phone without a moon filter, it's going to be really bright and it's going to appear like a giant bright circle with then hairs coming off it, you know. But when you look at it through the telescope and then you put the right filters on it and everything, it's going to look really good. And also, even with the moon, even at crescent moon or anything, you can't get the pictures that Android is saying on their phones or Apple says on their phones because, you know, you can't really see those pictures. They're not real. They're not. Those zoomed in pictures are fakes. They're doing that for advertising purposes, you know. And I think that's all for this part. I will now show you the pictures.